Good day. I'm very pleased to elaborate the analytical comparison of oscilloscope memory depth. On your right is a brand new GDS 1000B series oscilloscope developed by Instek. And on your left is Tektronix TBS 1000B EDU oscilloscope. As we know that memory depth will affect waveform measurement capability and accuracy. Therefore, electronic R&D engineers must have oscilloscopes with long memory depth to clearly observe measurement details. GDS 1000B equipped with 10 mega memory depth per channel, and Tektronix TBS 1000B EDU has only 2.5K memory depth. Now, I would like to demonstrate the memory depth difference between these two oscilloscopes. First, input a 1 kHz 2 volt square waveform for both oscilloscopes and press auto set for both oscilloscopes to show the optimum waveform status. Next, adjust time scale to 10 milliseconds per division for both oscilloscopes. Next, press stop key to cease measurement retrieval. Now, enlarge the time scale for both oscilloscopes to 100 microseconds per division to observe the waveform details under the long time scale. Now, you can clearly observe that waveform produced by Tektronix TBS 1000B EDU is seriously distorted due to the insufficient memory depth. As a result, it cannot reveal the original square waveform. For GDS 1000B oscilloscope, 10 mega memory depth per channel allows it to completely reproduce the original square waveform characteristics. Which oscilloscope will you choose? The answer cannot be more solid after this demonstration. Thank you very much for watching.